Okay, here we have the Arsenal Pendulum squats. So a couple things I want to highlight on this. This foot plate is adjustable. So how you'll do that is you'll pull this out and you can drop it or raise it. So I'm gonna set it right here, second hole. And then to load this piece of equipment, you're going to load it here on the back. I'm not going to do it today, but I'll show you how to use the squat pattern. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit into this, put my feet up here. I'm gonna grab this bar, push it out, and sit. And what you're going to do is you are going to drive your knees out, squat all the way down, drive them all the way up. To re-rack it, you just hook it here, sit, and then safely step out of it. And that is the Arsenal Pendulum squat.